Hey everyone, welcome back to Ask Literature. Today we're diving into a fascinating and rapidly evolving era of literary study, digital criticism. This approach not only transforms how we read and interpret texts, but also reshapes our understanding of literature in the digital age. So grab your devices and let's explore. Digital criticism encompasses a variety of practices that emerge from the intersection of literature and technology. As we navigate through the 21st century, the ways we access, analyze, and engage with literature have changed dramatically. Gone are the days when we relied solely on printed text. Now we have ebooks, online databases, and even social media platforms that influence our literary experiences. This shift opens up exciting possibilities for both scholars and casual readers alike. One of the key aspects of digital criticism is the use of digital tools and methods to analyze texts. Scholars now employ computational analysis, data visualization, and text mining to uncover patterns and trends that may not be immediately apparent through traditional prose reading. For instance, using software to analyze large corpuses of literature allows researchers to identify common themes, linguistic shifts, and stylistic trends across multiple works. This can lead to new insights into literary movements, genre evolution, and the development of individual authors. Take, for example, the work of scholars using digital tools to analyze the language of Shakespeare's plays. By examining word frequency and patterns across his entire OUA, researchers can uncover shifts in themes and styles throughout his career. This data-driven approach not only enhances our understanding of Shakespeare's development as a playwright, but also allows for comparisons with contemporaneous authors, leading to a richer understanding of the literary landscape of the time. But it's not just scholars who benefit from digital criticism. Readers too can engage with literature in innovative ways. Online platforms like Goodreads or Wattpad create communities where readers can share their thoughts, reviews, and interpretations of texts. This interactive element fosters a dynamic dialogue about literature that extends beyond the confines of the printed page. Imagine reading a novel and instantly being able to connect with others who are experiencing the same story, sharing insights and discussions in real time. This kind of engagement transforms reading from a solitary act into a communal experience, and it broadens the scope of literary analysis to include diverse perspectives. Another exciting aspect of digital criticism is the way it challenges traditional notions of authorship and ownership. With the rise of fan fiction and collaborative storytelling, the line between creator and consumer becomes increasingly blurred. Readers are no longer passive recipients of literature, they can actively contribute to and reshape narratives. For example, platforms like Archive of Our Own allow fans to write their own stories based on existing works, exploring characters and plot lines in ways that the original authors may never have imagined. This participatory culture raises intriguing questions about intellectual property, originality, and the nature of creativity itself. Moreover, digital criticism encourages us to consider the impact of technology on our reading habits and literary consumption. The rise of ebooks and audiobooks has transformed how we engage with texts. Are we losing something fundamental in the transition from print to digital, or are we simply adapting to new forms of storytelling? Digital criticism prompts us to reflect on these questions and to examine how our relationship with literature evolves in response to technological advancements. Let's not forget about the wealth of resources available online that enrich our literary experiences. Digital archives such as Project Gutenberg and the Internet Archive provide access to countless texts that might otherwise be out of reach. This democratization of literature is a game changer, allowing readers from all backgrounds to explore works that were previously confined to libraries and personal collections. Imagine the possibilities for discovering new authors, genres, and literary movements that were once overlooked. Digital criticism empowers readers to become explorers in a vast literary landscape. In addition, digital criticism can play a significant role in preserving literature and cultural heritage. With the challenges posed by climate change, political unrest, and globalization, the need to safeguard our literary history has never been more urgent. And digital archiving initiatives ensure that texts are preserved for future generations, even in the face of physical deterioration. By digitizing manuscripts, letters, and rare books, scholars and institutions are creating a virtual library that can be accessed by anyone, anywhere, at any time. This not only fosters a greater appreciation for the literary canon, but also highlights the importance of diversity in representation. However, as we embrace the benefits of digital criticism, we must also remain aware of its limitations. The reliance on technology raises questions about accessibility and equity. Not everyone has the same access to digital tools or high-speed internet, which can create barriers to participation in this new literary landscape. It's essential that we advocate for inclusivity and strive to ensure that all voices have the opportunity to engage with and contribute to literary discussions. Additionally, while digital tools can enhance our understanding of text, they should not replace the nuanced and intimate experience of reading. There's something irreplaceable about holding a book in your hands, feeling the pages, and losing yourself in the narrative. And digital criticism is not about replacing traditional methods of analysis, but rather expanding our toolkit to enrich our literary experiences. As we move forward in this digital age, it's clear that digital criticism is reshaping our understanding of literature and its role in society. And by embracing the tools and platforms available to us, we can engage with texts in new and exciting ways, fostering a deeper appreciation for the stories that connect us all. Whether you're a scholar, a casual reader, or a passionate fan, there's a place for you in this evolving literary landscape. Thanks for joining me today on this exploration of digital criticism. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more literary insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. How has technology changed your reading experience? I'd love to hear your perspectives. Until next time, keep reading, keep exploring, and remember literature is a living conversation that evolves with us. See you soon.